Is it still raining in New York, my love? Tonight the city lights feel so lonely. The Manhattan wind still blows, carrying the memories deep inside my heart. Still shines through the endless night, but among the crowds I still feel lost. The subway trains keep running without rest, while memories keep finding their way back to me. Is it still raining in New York, my love? Or have the clouds already fallen asleep over Brooklyn? The bridge still stays awake in silence, listening to the Hudson River quietly flowing through the night. Is it still